Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. And friends, there is a big news which is coming here from TCS. So TCS is going to hire this year in big number. I know this you already know, but I will tell you why TCS is going to hire in big numbers, why TCS is hiring 2025-2024 batch, because you need to understand that this is the opportunity which you do not have to miss. Anyway, before we start friends, so if you have not yet applied for TCS NQT hiring, which is for 2026, 2025 and 2024 batch, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc and MCA are eligible for this hiring. Freshers plus experienced both are eligible. Freshers, if you'll see, 7 to 9 LPA package, experienced 7.5 to 9.45 LPA package is there, and the last date to apply is 20 of March 2026, but I would request you to apply as soon as possible. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because already lot of preparation videos for TCS we have started, right? So, and also here if you'll see, so live classes has been also started for TCS. So in all the languages now we are doing, right? So I mean Java, Python, C++, and also Aptitude one sort, right? So coding, PYQs, all those things we have started doing it. So this is definitely going to help you a lot. Okay, anyway, now let us come back to our why TCS hiring in big numbers. So friends, this is first time it has happened that TCS is going to hire in big numbers. Okay, and the numbers will be definitely more than some 40 to 45,000. Okay, I'm expecting more than that. So TCS, one thing which you have to understand is TCS now in 2025 they did not hire at all. Let's say maximum some thousand, so maximum some thousand. Okay, some thousand student would have got hired by TCS in 2025. I have not seen more than that student, because TCS did a mass rejection. TCS did a mass rejection. Okay, mass rejection in 2025. Let us take this number as 10,000. Okay, so I mean I am taking the extreme cases. So every year TCS hires around 40,000. So now here 10,000 hiring did not happen. I mean 10,000 hiring only happened. So 30,000 from 2025 TCS did not hire. See, TCS already, they have done the restructuring and they have a lot of projects and they need more people. And that is the reason you might have also seen now that TCS is rehiring, and in that offer letter is getting generated. So 40,000 now in 2026 and around 2025. So let's say this hirings has not happened. So this is a big number to say, okay, because this is not given by TCS, but we can think from the 2025 because they did not hire. And that was the reason, okay, that was the only reason TCS has given opportunity now for 2025 and 2024 batch graduate. The 2025 batch graduates, many of the students, they tried for other jobs and they are already working in some other company. So 2025 they will not be able to fetch this many candidates, so they gave offer to 2024 batch student also. See here, you see TCS rehiring. If you go and see our videos, if you go to our videos tab, right, so TCS rehiring result, offer letter out. So in rehiring what they are doing, so in 2025, right, actually what happened, there was mass rejection. Now TCS is calling a student from the the one who were rejected, so they are also now having face to face just discussion, and after that they are getting the offer letter. Okay, today also I could see, which I have done a post some time ago. So Akash Ram, right, so Akash Ram, he got selected in TCS digital, so role in TCS, role digital package 7 LPA, right. So this is from, he is from 2025 batch as part of our rehiring, and 2026 batch we have this student who had got selected in TCS digital. So already TCS is hiring now in bulk. I don't have to explain it more and more. Okay, now, so friends, for 2026 batch, 2025 batch, 2024 batch, भैया जीने मरने की बात है. You have to do and die. Do and die means it's not like भाई करना है मरना है. You have to give your 100%, right? So once again I would like to tell you friends, so first time TCS is hiring, and also in this video I will tell you the 10 days plan So in 10 days, what exactly you are going to do? So 10th of March onwards, your exams will start. So that also we will discuss. So first time TCS is hiring in big numbers. TCS did not hire in 2025, which you already know. Many students joined some another company from 2025 batch, and that is the reason TCS has to give opportunity to 2024 candidates also. TCS already started sending offer letter to rehiring candidate. 2024 and 2025 batch will not get opportunities again. So 2026 batch still might get opportunity, but 2024 and 2025 no. So you have to take it very seriously. Okay. See, the Tata Consultancy Services is continuing its massive hiring with plans to onboard over 40 to 42,000 plus freshers for the financial year 2025 and 2026. Okay. So this is the syllabus. Now we will talk about in 10 days where exactly you need to focus. Okay. So friends, one thing is sectional cutoff is there. Every section you have to perform well. Every section you have to perform well. So you have foundation section, numerical ability, logical reasoning, verbal ability, advanced aptitude, reasoning plus advanced coding, right? So total question 20 question 25 minutes, 20 question 25 minutes, 25 minutes 25 minutes, 14 question 25 minutes, 2 question 90 minutes. I know many of you are taking it very lightly. You are thinking that okay, somewhere I will attend the live classes and then I will be able to clear the exam. No, you have to solve the previous year question. You have to solve TCS specific question. Okay, see, if somebody is doing for the first time, right, I mean if I am doing it for the first time, definitely I will not have the previous year question solutions, right? I will not be even aware of TCS previous year question. Okay, so what is the DSA questions, coding questions, nothing I will be aware. And if you are trusting, then definitely we are going to do a mistake. Okay, so we'll talk about which is the important topic. But once again friends, I wanted to tell you, so see, this is not the promotion of the courses, because many of you will be telling, sir, you are promoting your courses. No, one thing you tell me now, in the 10 days what you will be doing in the 10 days, sir, I will be solving only previous year question. Okay, so that is the reason now we are going towards this week 3. Okay, so week 3, 1st of March to 8th of March and until your exam. So aptitude PYQ, verbal ability, only PYQ. Even giving mock test is also not going to help you a lot. Okay, that is the reason, even though our crash course is having mock test, I don't talk much about the mock test, because mock test, no, it will actually, see, you tell me, frankly in the chat section. So after giving mock test, how many of you are motivated? It will demotivate you. It might, let your confidence will go down in mock test. That is what happens. Okay, because now this 10 days is not the time where you will be playing with the mock test. Okay, so mock test series already we are having. Okay, full length mock test series is there. So all those things we are already having it. Okay, but the thing is now friends, it is very important for you to now solve the previous year question, and that is where TCS NQT crash course is going to help you out. And for coding, many people of you are telling, sir, coding I am not very good at. DSA white book, already around 200 questions we have covered. So this DSA white book is going to help you a lot, because we have covered TCS almost all the asked question 2024, 2025, digital, prime, ninja, and then we have also covered TCS code vita level of the question, which is very important for your TCS exam. And that is the reason friends, see, so I know you will think, no, okay, we will study from YouTube channel and all. That is never, it was never possible, and it will not be possible any point of time. And once this opportunity goes from your hand, you will be only regretting. And tomorrow if you pay even 1.5 lakh rupees for this course, it is completely waste of money, because TCS will not give you the another opportunity, which and this is the first time it has happened. TCS is hiring 2024, 2025, 2026 now. So friends, what are the important topic which you should focus more? See, TCS, no, they never stick to one topic. Like, okay, this topic I will ask one question, this topic I'll ask 2 questions. So what they do is, so they will be like, asking questions from every topic. So 1 or 2 question, but in that important topic will be, see, this some basic topics, simplification, 2 to 3 questions will be there, which you can easily do it. Ratio, proportion, percentage, average, profit and loss, simple compound interest, time work. At least this many topics should be your priority. I'm not telling that other topics you leave and go, but this should be your priority. Okay, see, statistics also, last year there were not many questions from a statistic, but still they might ask questions from statistics. So these are the important topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and data interpretation. I'm sorry, I forgot data interpretation. So data interpretation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 topics at least you cover. Data interpretation, you tell me if you know, if you're interested, then data interpretation I will take live class. So if you guys are interested, then please comment data interpretation, okay? Or if you comment only data also, because this is a big word. So if you put only DI, okay, if you put only DI, then I will take a live class on DI. Already inside the TCS crash course there is 3 videos are there, and all type I have covered. But still, if you want, then I will take one complete series on live class on DI, data interpretation, and that will be helping you a lot. In reasoning, so again, in reasoning, see, in reasoning, cubes and dice, figure based problems is very, very important. Inequalities is very easy, so you read it. So, and syllogism, I am planning a live class, okay? So syllogism is like little confusing topic, so we'll start with very much basics. So syllogism is a so I'll take one live class on syllogism, okay, one video, and that will help you a lot. Number series, okay, so number series is important. Letters, coding, decoding is important, okay. Blood relation is important. Direction sense is easy, okay. Syllogism is, you have to critical reasoning and sitting arrangement and puzzles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 topics here, because reasoning is easy. These 10 topics you can easily cover in 5 to 6 hours, okay. From the TCS NQT crash course itself, you can go through these topics, okay. And okay, so this by mistakenly it is opening, okay. Next is, friends, your verbal ability. So for verbal ability, already ma'am is ma'am will be taking the classes here, if you'll see. So verbal ability, already she has told the important topics. Kahan gaye bhai? So you just go to videos, and then you could see the important topics and how to approach to the questions. So where is the live class? So from the live classes we have covered here. Chalo bhai. So where is it? Yeah. So here TCS free NQT verbal ability, most important topics in verbal ability, cutoff and scoring topic. So this you go through, right? Okay. Next is, friends, it is little stuck, okay. Okay, bye, chalo. Okay, fine. Now, so let us go back and see the PPT now. Next is coding. So for coding, friends, my best suggestion to all of you will be go for this DSA white book, and this DSA white book is covered in 3 languages, as I have already told earlier. So here 3 languages, DSA white book. So we have covered in Python, we have covered in Java, and we have covered in Python, Java, right? So we have covered in Python, we have covered in Java, and we have covered in C++. All 3 languages we have covered this. So this will be sufficient for your exam, okay. And next, so this is what you have to do in the last 10 days, okay. So, and this TCS exam rules, I think, which you already will be aware. No section switching, only question switching will be there. TCS exam will be happening at center, no negative marking. Any number of rough paper you will get. On screen calculator, no question wise timer, section wise timer. Total 8 theta based question. If we submit one coding question, then we can go to second. We cannot make changes in the first coding question. Sectional cutoff will be there, okay. So this all those things, friends. Already we are doing this part, okay, and you can see the previous results. So we have also covered here the previous year questions, and sir, I have done my TCS NQT exam yesterday, okay. So I did not able to thank you yesterday. Questions are easy to analyze only by online study for you crash course. So I completed my exam on 20 March. Most of the questions were from the crash course. Pattern was also same. Thank you, Pratik sir. I got digital. I just wanted to say big thank throughout my college, okay. So permanent subscriber got digital, okay. Here, thank you, Pratik sir. I have purchased your course, and it helped me a lot for clearing the NQT assessment. I got shortlisted for Ninja. Definitely thank you, Pratik sir, for putting so much of effort in the course. Selected in digital, okay. And then thank you, sir. I selected for Prime, and your videos helped me a lot. Some of these questions are repeated. Most questions which you are teaching are repeating, sir. Today morning shift paper, most of the questions is repeated. Thank you so much. I have attended much. The questions are taught yesterday were asked in the, just change the number. So already we have given a lot of results, and in future also we are going to give the results. So get this TCS NQT crash course, trust me, we do not have to regret later. I understand now you will be thinking why this amount is too huge, but trust me, once you get a 7 and 9 LPA job, everything will be very smooth. Thank you, take care, and all the very best. We have brought the best teacher this time. Okay, so you can also see who are the teachers who are teaching. So we have Simran ma'am, Isha ma'am for English, we have Adar sir for Java, we have Priyansi ma'am for Python, we have Devjyoti sir for C++. I am teaching you aptitude and reasoning. We have Ankita ma'am also for aptitude and reasoning. So we have, bunch of teacher daily 2 to 3 marathon, 2 to 3 hours of the marathon classes are happening. Take care. See you in the classes.